Alright, this is MrBeast thumbnail, and this is somebody else's face, and this is somebody else's face on the MrBeast thumbnail. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail that looks like it was made by MrBeast team, and then later I'll show you how you can replace the face with your own face. And I'll only use free AI tools, and I'll show you the prompt that you could use to create something that looks like this. Alright, first let's navigate to Adventuregen.ai. This is the URL, and this is, I would say, the best AI tool for creating a YouTube thumbnail. I actually have covered this tool on my previous video, you can check it out. But basically, you can create a free account and it should give you at least 100 free credits to try this AI tool. Now, you can click on this thumbnails mode, and I'm going to create a thumbnail for a different video. So make sure on the thumbnail style you select Beast. There are many styles here, but you want to select Beast. And here I'll write, let's say I'll try to create a video about Lamborghini versus hydraulic press. Yep, that's the video is about. You can be very specific about the prompt, but it doesn't really matter anyway, because this AI tool will understand that you're trying to create a thumbnail with the MrBeast style. Now let's click generate and just wait for this AI tool to generate the MrBeast thumbnail. So this process will take usually less than 1 minute, and then later we can use the thumbnail on ChatGPT to create a thumbnail with your own face. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so this is the result. You can see that this is definitely the kind of thumbnail that could be used by MrBeast. This is his face, and then this is a shiny Lamborghini with a big hydraulic press. Now let's download this picture, and after that, let's visit chatgpt.com, and then you can sign in using your account. Now, I will show you the step-by-step process to basically turn this face into your own face. For this example, I'll try this man's face that I found on Pixabay, which I think looks kind of similar to this guy. At least the pose looks very similar. But yeah, I'll try to use this person. And now I'm going to just upload the picture. Let me just drag and draw the picture on ChatGPT right here. And on the thumbnail, I do recommend to rename the file though. So I'm going to call the thumbnail to be a different name. Let me show you. Alright, so I renamed the files to be like this. You can see that this is image 1, referring to the person, the person face that I want to use. And then the thumbnail, I rename it to image 2. This is going to be very important on the prompt later. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. I will continue with the second image, which is the thumbnail. And for the prompt, you can use this AI prompt. Okay, I'm unable to upload image 2, and I think the reason why is probably because I'm still using the free version of ChatGPT, so I think I hit the limit. Okay, I'll be back with my other account. Alright, sorry about that. Now I'm on my different account. I'll do it again. I'll upload the picture, the first picture, and then the second picture right here. Alright, this is the person that I want to use the face, and then this is the MrBeast thumbnail. Now you can use this AI prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the whole prompt in the video description so you can copy and paste. But basically, there are a few things that you need to modify. Here I said perform a realistic face swap where my face from image 1, which is this image. That's why renaming the image is very important, so you're not confusing ChatGPT. And then I will continue, is seamlessly integrated onto the person in image 2, which is this thumbnail. So that's why I highly recommend to rename the file to make sure that it is accurate, it is consistent, so ChatGPT will know what images you are referring to. Now let's enable create image and send the message to ChatGPT. So just wait until it finishes. It usually will take about 1 minute or so to generate the picture, and I'll be back with the final result. Alright, so we got this picture, definitely the same thumbnail as this one, except maybe it looks a bit more polished, I would say. Yeah, it actually looks a lot cleaner, and of course the person is completely different, although I would say it's not exactly the same person as this one. But yeah, it is very close, and not to mention all Asians look the same. I think that's fine. So yeah, that's basically how you can create a YouTube thumbnail that looks like it was from MrBeast, but with your own face. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel. I'll try to make more AI videos in the future, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.